So how we solve PUS, simplified PUS using KMAP. So like for example, question is given that y a b c d is equal to sigma m 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10, 12, and 15. Okay, we have to find out PUS. Okay, and how can you check that? Find out the PUS. The options are given like option A, B, C, and D. The options are given. You have to check that options are given in the SOP form or POS form. Okay, so this is the first thing you have to do. On the basis of that one, you identify that you have to calculate in the SOP or POS form. Now, first of all, we draw the K map. The variable is A, B, C, D, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, and 1, 0. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. If I am talking about the SOP, I just take both. If I want to find in SOP form or POS form, you can check to the options that are available in the question. Now, if SOP form, I just write where sigma m is 1. Okay, because sigma m means these are the terms where the value y output is 1. These are the terms where output is 1. So I just write as 0, 1, 2, 3, 3 is no term, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, 11, 10, 12, 13, 15, 14. Okay. Now we can create a group. And one group is this one. Uh, one group I can create in this form. One I can create in this one. Okay. One I can create in this form and one in this form. Okay. So one group of four terms. So one, two, three, and four group of two terms. Okay. Now in the options, SOP is not mentioned. Okay, and no option will be showing the SOP. So we have to identify in POS form. So what we do, where once is not defined, we will take 0. Okay, so 6 places where term is not defined, max term is not defined. Now we can create a group of mean term, max terms. This is the one group. This will be the second group. Now you can see these two not creating any group, so I just take as a single and single. So in this two group of two terms and two group of one term. Okay, I just give as a numbering 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, what is the POS term? I think SOP clear. I am not writing the equation for SOP. I am writing the equation only for POS. So Y is for the group 1. Okay. Which variable is constant? B. And this is in the same column. So C and D is also constant. So the term is, now the value of B is 1. So B bar. Value of C is 1. C bar. And value of D is 0. That means D. Okay. So this is the group 1. Group 2. This one. Okay. First and last. So you can see the value of B is constant. And value of B is 0. So B, value of C is 1 and D is 1. So C bar and D bar. Now for the third group, it is single element. So A, B, C, and D all are constant. The value of A is 1. So A bar. B is also 1. C is 0 and D is 1. And this is the fourth group. A is 1. B is 0. C is 0 and D is 0. So these are the four groups. Group 1, 2, 3, and now clear?
Yes, sir. Now it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Now in a similar form, like for example, y, a, b, c, d is equal to pi m 0, 2, 4, 8, 10, 11, 13, and 15 is given. Okay, so either you can write in SOP form or POS form, you have to check the options. So if A, B, C, D. Now max term is defined, pi m. Okay, so we have to represent 0. So 0 here, 2, 0, 4, this one, 8, this one, 9, 11, 11, 10, 12, 13, 15. Okay, so these are the terms that are available. How many groups are created? So one group of owners. Okay, one this group, one this group, and one this group. So the corner I am taking group 1. This is the group 2, group 3, and group 4. Now you just check group 2 also created in this form. Okay, that is also group 2. Okay, if you create this one group, so no need to create this group, because without that group all zeros are already considered. So either you can create a group from this and this. Okay, 15 and 11, or you can create a group between 10 and 11. So one particularly group is considered, one is the redundant term. Any doubt? Now for the group 4, the equation is these two columns are considered, so D is the constant, and these two rows are considered, so B is constant. So one group is B plus D. Both value will be 0, 0, so B plus D. Group second, if I consider between grouping of 11 and 15, so A is constant, the value is 0. C and D is constant, so C bar plus D bar. Or if I consider between 10 and 11, so A bar plus B and C is constant plus C bar. So either you can use this group or this. Okay, so don't be confused. This is the second group. Any of the one term will be available. Okay, this is the group one, group two. If I are talking about the group three, so this is your group three. For the group three, the value of A and B is constant, so A bar plus B bar plus the value of D is constant, so D bar. Okay, and for the group 4, the A is constant, so A bar plus C and D is constant, C bar plus D bar. Okay, but your option will be asking about the SOP. So what should I do? Just take a reverse of this one. A, B, C, D. So here 0, 0, so 1, 1 will be represent here, these two positions, this one and this one. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Now the group is one group of 4 is this one, group of 2, third, and okay, the numbering is first, second, third, and this is fourth. So the equation y is equal to, in a group of 4, A is constant, but value is 0, so A bar, and D is constant, the value is 1, A bar D, plus second group, B is constant, so B, C is constant 1 and D bar. Group third, A, B is constant and D is constant, so A, B, D bar. And group of 4, B bar, sigma d. Okay. Any doubt? Yes. Anyone have any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. So don't be think that if in the question max term is given, so we can't ask the PUS. We can ask the PUS. We can ask the SOP also. Okay. So don't be think that if the max term is present, so only the answer will be in SOP. Answer maybe in the SOP or maybe in the PUS. You have to check both. So on the basis of options, you have identify that the answer will be in SOP or PUS, and according to that one, you have to solve. Okay, man. Now, hmm, there is one particularly don't care condition. If you are playing a card, okay, or if you are aware about the cards, okay, playing cards, there is a one particularly card is the Joker. You can use Joker as anywhere where you required. If you are not required that one, you can throw it. Okay, so don't care condition is similar to that one. That should be represented by the D. Okay, maybe you can consider as a 0 if you are creating the POS. Okay, if you required a POS term, you can consider as a 1 if you required a SOP term, or you can neglect that also if not required. Or we can say if D can't maximize the group size. Okay, जहाँ पे हमारा D, where the D is not required to maximize the group size, we will neglect that. Okay, or we can use as a 0 or we can use as a 1 also. So that is about the don't care condition. So like for example, Y, A, B, C, and D is equal to sigma M 0, 2, 4, 7, 8, 10, 11, 14 plus sigma D 1, 5, 9. Okay, now thing is that the value of D may be 0, may be 1. So we can consider as a sigma D or we can consider as a pi D. So don't be confused with this one because the D value is as per our requirement. If we required SOP term, we will use D value as a 1. If we required a POS form, we will use D as a 0. Okay, so don't be confused that either I mentioned the sigma D or pi D. So 0, 2, 4, 7, 8, 10, 11, and 14. Okay, where the D is 1, D D, and D. 159. Okay, so first we check the group of ones. We create a group of ones. Uh, so one group is the corner. One, two, three. Okay, so this is my group one. Now you can check uh, this one. Okay, so this maybe create a group of this one. This is two. This will be create a group of this one. So this is three. Okay. Now remaining two ones. One is this one. One is this one. So you can, if you consider this one only. Okay. So that is the group of one term. So what should I do? I just include this D to maximize the group size. So this is the group four. Okay. Now this one is remaining. If I create consider this D also, this D already considered. If I consider this one first D also, so I can create a group of four. Otherwise, what happen? A group of two is possible. So we consider these two Ds to maximize the group size. Okay, but this D, all ones are already completed, already considered in the grouping. Okay, all ones created the grouping also. Then now this D is useless. Why? Because if we use this D to create a group, none of the group will be maximize there. Basically, this D cannot maximize any group size. So what we do, we neglect this one. Okay, so we consider two D's, but we neglect this one. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, and 1, 0. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, and 1, 0. Okay, so Y is for the corners, the B is constant B bar, and D is constant D bar. Okay, the group second, the A is constant A, C, D bar. Group third, A, B bar, C. Group 4, A bar, B, D, and group 5, A bar, C bar. Okay, so these are the 5 groups we have created. We include 2 Ds, 1 we can net. Okay, now the point is that if you find out in the POS form, so what happened? Now the don't care condition is same. D, D, and D. The remaining will be 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0. Okay. Now we can create one group, this one, because otherwise this zero is single term. To create a group, I consider this D, so my one group is created. Okay, this zero is single, so I consider this D to create my group. So this is first, second. This zero is alone, so I consider this D or this D to create a group. Third, this D is alone. So either thing is that I can consider this D, that will be create a group of two. If I consider all D, this one, so that will be create a group of four. So I'm using this. Okay, and last term is no group is created, so this is the group term. So y is for the first term, this one. So the value is a plus b plus d bar, because d bar is 1, d is 1. For the second one, this one, a bar plus b bar plus c. For the group third, a bar plus b bar plus d bar. For the fourth group, c plus d bar. And for the fifth group, a bar, sorry, a plus b bar plus c bar plus. So this is the POS, and this one is. Okay. Now any doubt? I think SOP and POS concept is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how we solve the SOP, how we solve the POS in KML. Any doubt related to the weak content, you can ask. Okay, so can we go with the practice assignment?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes,
Uh,
tell me.
like while grouping the terms, if in an option one group is present there, including a redundant term also,
Hmm.
and one option is there excluding redundant term, then we have to
Yeah.
choose both option
If they
or
are if they are asking in the simplified form, so simplified is that means no redundant term. Okay.
okay, sir. Thank you.
If we are asked the redundant term, if we are asked the normally K-map solution, okay, so in the K-map solution, both answer will be correct. But if we ask the simplified Boolean expression, so in the simplified Boolean expression, no redundant term is possible. If there is redundant term is available, so that answer is incorrect.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Uh, Question first. If you solve and if you have any doubt, you can ask specifically. Otherwise, I will solve and just. So this is A, B, C, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. So if we are talking about the sigma m, so 0, Yes. Answer. In the sigma m, which terms are present?
Z- 0, 3, 5, 6.
0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. So if you are talking about the sigma m, so where 1 will be present, I just consider only those terms. So 0, 3, 5, and 6. If you are talking about the pi m, so here it is 0, 0, 0, and 0. So 1, 2, 4, and 7. Okay. Question 2. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Here 1, here 1, 1, and 1. So one group is this one, and one group is this one. So Y is, if you are talking about this group, so B, C bar, D bar. Now you can check the option are given in SOP, so we have to represent only in SOP form. Plus B bar, CD. Question 3. POS 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so POS term. So we have to create a group. One group is this one group is this one, and one group is this one. Okay. Now you can write a equation. I just write a equation for first term. First term is A is 0 and C is the constant, but the value is 1, so AC bar. Okay. You can write a remaining equations. So you can see that B and D option is not possible. Okay, only A and C. Out of A and C, one option is possible. So now question number 4. F A B C is equal to A XOR B XOR C. So A B C 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 and 1 1 1. Okay. So first A XOR B operation, then after that B XOR C. So Y is XORing 0, then again 0 XOR with 0. 0, then XORing with 1 is 1. 0 1 XORing is 1, then 1 0 is 1. 0 1 1 and 1 1 0. 1 0 1 and 1 with 0 is 1. 1 0 is 1, and this 1 with 1 is 0. 1 1 is 0, and this 0 with 0 is 0. 1 1 is 0, and this 0 with 1 is 1. Okay, so you are getting at 1, 2, 4, and 7. 1, 2, 4, and 7. Okay, so option A. Okay, option B, if you check, it is 0, 2. So 0 output is 0. So not possible as 1. 0 here also. Here 1 and 3. At 3 output is 0. That is not possible. Okay, now you can see this is the, here 1 is the term and remaining is the don't care condition. So you can create a group of 16. If group of 16 is possible, that means the term has contained 0 variables. Okay, or output y is directly 1. If you remember in the previous class, we discussed that if in a 4 variable K map, if a group of 16 is possible, then y is 1. Okay, simplify, y is 1. Similar question, like for example, in question number 5, now what is y? Anyone? What is y?
1.
1.
Sorry, sir. It will be 0.
Y is 0. Any other? Yes, any other? What is y? Either say yes or no. Have you solved it? Yes or no? Anyone? No one will be answering. Am I wrong? Doesn't mean it is a SOP or POS. Doesn't mean it is a SOP or POS. Because if it is a 0, I can consider these all x will be 0, 0. Okay, I just consider this all don't care condition should be 0 0. Why? Because we consider this don't care condition is 1 to create a maximum to maximize the group size. But if there is no one available, why should I create a group? Okay, why should I create a group? So either it is a SOP or POS. In every scenario, Y is C. So don't, it doesn't create any impact that we ask in the SOP form or in the POS form. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
The number of product terms in the maximum SOP form. It is a don't care, 0, don't care, don't care, 0, don't care, 1. So one group size is this one. 1 I can create this one and 1 I can create this. Okay, no need of this two. Okay, no need of this two because we have to consider the. Okay, they are asking the SOP, sorry, not POS. If we are talking about the POS, the group size is 1. Only one group is there. Okay, only one group is there because in the POS we have to consider zeros, not don't care condition. If don't care condition is only to maximize the group size, but if this particular don't, if I consider this don't care condition as a 0 and create a group, that will be create a group that will create a increase the number of gates. Okay, so in the POS form only one group is there required. If we are talking about the SOP, so how many groups are possible? One is this group and this. So in the SOP also one group is required. Okay, so either we are asking the SOP or either we are asking the POS, only one group is required. Question number 17, sorry 7. So A, B, C, D, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 9, 11, 10, 12, 13. Okay, so these are the ones now where the D is here, so 3, 6, 8, and 12. Okay, so one is this group is required. One is the corner group is required. So if we are considering this first group, this particularly column group, so the term Y is equal to C bar D. If we are talking about the corner, so it is a B bar, B bar. Okay, all ones are already covered in these two groups, so no need any extra group. No need of extra group. So we neglect this D, neglect this one, neglect this one, and neglect The question number 8. So 3 variables. X, Y, Z, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0 and 1. Only 2. So this is 2 and this is 7. Okay, and 1 and 4. So this is the D, 1 and D. 4. Sorry, this is 0. One, 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 one. Okay, now first of all check the terms are given in SOP or POS form. So first expression is SOP form, fourth expression is SOP form. So we have to check the SOP and second and third for the POS term. So if we are talking about the SOP, so this is the one group. Okay, except this is the second group and this is third group. So 1, 2 and 3. So F is equal to the group of 4. So Y bar plus group of 2 X bar Z plus X Z. Okay, and if we are talking about the POS form, so only two terms are available. One is this 0. Okay, one is this 0 and one is this 0. Because if you see that D, so we can't create a group with D. Okay, or these two D's are not used to maximize the group size. So we can create a individual group. You can write the equation, I think so. Now the question number 9. The question is same, little bit it is a language. A committee of 3 individuals decided issues of an organization. Each vote either yes or no. That means if we have a 3 individual A, B, C. So either they are giving 1 or 0. Yes means 1 and no means 0. A proposal is passed if it receives at least 2 yes votes. The Boolean expression of the circuit that determines whether a proposal passes is so y. Now what is the possible combination? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and last is 1, 1, 1. So 2 yes means 2 ones. So here 2 ones, y is 1. Here 2 ones, y is 1, y is 1, y is 1. Except this all are 0. So sigma m 3, 5, 6, and 7. If we are talking about the pi m, so pi m 0, 1, 2, and okay. If the Boolean expression at the node y1 is FABC, that is a sigma m 0, then the Boolean expression of the output y is given as. Okay, so first of all, we find out the y1. Question number 10, first of all, we find the y1. So y1 is A, B, C, D, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0 and 1, 0, 3, 5, and D is 1. Okay, so y1 is 3 groups are available, 1, 2, and 3. So A bar, B bar plus B bar C plus A bar C. Okay, now with the C bar, it is ending. Okay, and whole will be complement. So first of all, we can calculate the ending, then we connect into the NOT gate. So if you see A bar, B bar, C bar, plus here it is C multiplied with C bar is 0. Here it is C multiplied with C bar is 0. Only one term is available. So A bar, B bar, C bar. Now after that, this is we have only done the ending. Okay, again there is a one bubble. That means NAND gate. So AND plus NOT. First we do the ending, then apply the NOT gate. So this is the complement. Now apply the De Morgan theorems. A double bar plus B double bar plus C double bar, that is equal to A plus B plus C. Now if you have any doubt, you can ask. Any doubt? If you have some questions, you can ask. No questions? No doubt?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
So question number 13 in the graded assignment.
Week
It is
5.
yes, sir.
Yeah,
So it is
11.
0 points given.
Wait a minute, wait a minute. Question number 13. Let me check. Question number 13. Okay. That is the 0 point.
Yes, sir.
Mhm. Okay, I think I changed the options. Okay, so we will consider that one as a one. If options are available, that means we consider like it is in the previous term, there is some mistake in the options. The options are not available. That's why I just consider as a 0 marks for the previous term.
Oh, okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. The question number 17, in place of not, it is a no complement input. Okay. No complementary inputs are available in question number 17. And I think in
Yes,
the
sir.
question number 16, there is one mistake. In place of 4, we have a 5 terms. I think so. Okay, 5 terms should be possible, I think. But in the question, it is option, it is only 4 terms.
Sir, question number 17, right?
Question number 17, there is no complement input are available.
Okay, sir.
Okay, in place of not, it is a no complement input. I think when you check right now, so it is a no complement input is mentioned here. Previously it is a not, now it is not. Okay, and question number 16, you are getting I think 5 terms. Kindly verify. Any other doubt related to the week 5? You can ask.
Sir, in question number 13, that is a 5 variable K-map. So how to proceed with it?
Question number 13, graded assignment.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 5 variable came up. I think we are not covered yet. 5 variable came up. So I just tell you. Okay. So if you see that like we have a 5 variables A, B, C, D, E. Okay. So till starting from 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. To 15. We have the value 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now when we go with 16, we have the value 1, 0, 0, 0. Till 31, it is a 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so 0 to 15, this is the value A is 0. And for 16 to 31, A is 1. So I can convert into a two different K maps where for the first K map A is 0, B, C, D, E is the variables. The value is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, and 1, 0. And for 16 to 31, the value of A is 1. B, C, D, E is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay. Now similarly, it is 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, 11, 10, 12, 13, 15, 14. And this one is starting from 16, 17, 19, 18, 20, 21, 23, 22, 24, 25, 27, 26, 28, 29, 31, and 30. Okay. Now, like for example, I am taking one example is sigma m 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, and 31. Now we represent the terms 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 30. Okay. Now how I can create a group? I can create a group in a way. First of all, I can individually create a group. Okay. So you can check this group. This is a individual group. And along with that group, I have to verify that the same group is available in this matrix or not. Okay. That is what is the meaning of that one is that now we have initially in the 4 variables, we discuss a 2-dimension K-map. Okay. In this dimension and in this dimension. There are 2 dimensions. But now it is a 5 variable K-map. So in the 5 variable, we are considering the 3-dimension K-map. 3-dimension K-map is what? One K-map of 4 cross 4, this one, where the value of A is 0. And second K-map that is overlap with this K-map, previous K-map. That is again a dimension of 4 cross 4, but the value of A is 1. Okay. So previously what we consider, we are creating a group in the this and this direction. Now we can create a group in this as well as the cascade form. When two matrices are basically overlap to each other, so we can create, we have to check that any cascade group is created or not. Okay, for an example, I am just taking that there is one group is this one is available. Okay, I just change a term. I just 16, 17 and 20 is also available. 16, 17, 18 and 20 is available. Okay, so one group of 4 here, one group of 4 here. Now when I overlap these two groups, these two matrices, so this 4 and 4 group will combine, overlap to each other, and it will be create a group of 8. Okay, any doubt? Please tell me any doubt. Should I repeat it again?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the 5 variable K maps, the one way is that we are creating a 2 different 4 variable K map and overlap these two K maps. Okay. So now my matrix will be a 3-dimension. Here we know that we are 4 rows. This direction we are know that we have a 4 rows. Here we know the 4 columns. Now this direction also. Here the two different matrix. First matrix A is 0 and second matrix A is 1. So it is a three-dimensional matrix now. So previously we can create a group in the rows and in the column. Now we can create in a group as a row, column as well as a matrix grouping. Okay, but the condition for the matrix grouping is the group will be created when they are overlapped. Okay, the group is created when we are okay. Let's example for an example. You have a you have a, these two groups. Can you write a equation for first this one? What is the equation? Yes, please. What is the equation of this particularly group?
B bar D bar.
B bar D bar.
B bar, D bar, along with A is 0. So we have a bar also. And what is the equation for this one group?
A B bar D bar.
A, B bar, D bar. Okay. Now can I take a B bar, D bar as a common?
Yes, sir.
So what is A plus A bar? That is 1. So only B bar, D bar is available. Okay. What is the meaning of that one? If we overlap these two groups, so that will be create a group of 4 and group of 4 that will be combined together and it will be create a group of 8. Okay. And because of that group of 8, the variable A is also a vary. So that means the variable A is not present in the mean term. If I consider only this group of 4, so A is present. If I consider this group of 4, A is present. But when we overlap these two groups and combine or make a group of 8, I know that there is no particularly A will be available. Why? Because A will be cancelled out. A plus A bar term will be created and that is 1, so A will be cancelled out. Okay. So these 4 and these 4 will be overlapped to each other. Now after overlapping, they create a group of 8. Now what is, I can directly write only which is the variable parameter, oh, sorry, constant parameter. One is the B, one is the D. A is not constant. Why? Because these two groups will be created cascaded. Okay, so they create a group, previous matrix and the next matrix. This matrix, this group of 4, this group of 4, and they will overlap. So the value of A will be changed. Okay. Now in a similar way, you can create this matrix of 4, but there is no overlap group. Okay, so I can write a equation of this one is B bar E with A bar because there is no overlapping group. Okay, now we go to the next. Now you can check these two group and these two will be overlap. Bar, bar, plus. Now these group will be overlap. So what is the equation of this one? B C Y because it is a constant and D B C D. These two and these two will be created a group of 4. Okay, so when we create a group of 4, the value of A is also variable, so that's why A is not present here. Understood? Any doubt you can ask? Yes, any doubt you can ask. Should I repeat it again? Or is it understandable how we solve the 5 variable K-map? Okay. There is one more method. If you don't want to create a two different matrix, you can create a single matrix with 32 elements. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8. Okay, so you consider the A, B, C, D, E. This is the 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, for the 3 variables, the binary number is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1, 1. Okay, but we have to represent into the gray code. So 0, 0, 0, the gray code is same. 0, 0, 1, the gray code is same. 0, 1, 0. So MSB as it is, XORing if these two particularly bits 1, then XORing of these two bits, that is also 1. MSB as it is, XORing of these two bits is 1 and XORing of these two bits is this one. MSB as it is, XORing of these two will be 1 and XORing of 0, 0 will be 0. MSB as it is, XORing 1, XORing again 1. MSB as it is, XORing 0, XORing 1. MSB as it is, XORing 0 and again XORing it is 0. Okay, now you have to write a number. So this is the 0, 0, 0, 0. So 0, 1, 3, 2, 6, 7, 5, 4, 8, 9, 11, 10, 12, 13, 15, 14. 16, 17, 19, 18, 20, 21, 23, 22, 24, 25, 27, 26, 28, 29, 31, and 30. Okay. Now you can represent as a 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 24, 27, 30, and 31. Okay, you can solve in that way also. This is the mirror image. Okay, after 4 columns, this is the mirror image. So now you can check these two groups is creating, and here these two and these two group is creating. Okay, so if I overlap or if I fold this matrix from this point, okay, from this line, so these group of 4 top, bottom, and this group of 4 top and bottom will be overlap. So that will be create a group of 8. Okay, that will be create a group of 8. So what is the term that is constant for this one is A is variable, B is constant, so B. Okay, for these two and for these two, 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 and 1 0 0. So only this term is constant. This term is D bar. So B bar D bar. Okay, 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 and 1 0 0. Out of these four, only the middle term is constant. Only the middle term is constant. First term is 0 0 here, but 1 1 here. The last term is 0 1 1 0. So that means last term is also changed, first term is also changed. Only the middle term is 0, that is constant. So I can create a group of B bar D bar. So you can solve in that way also. Okay, understood? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, this will create a group of 4. So this will create a group of 4. For this one, the B is constant. Okay, if we go with these two particularly column, these two columns. Okay, these two columns. So C is constant 1 and D is constant. So B C D, B C D, B bar D bar. Okay, now remaining is this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So now we can create this group of 2 with this group of 2. Okay, and this one is covered, this one is covered. So if we write a equation for that one, so A is constant, B is constant. So A bar, B bar. Okay, and out of these 4 columns, 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 and 1 0 1. So only this term is constant. Okay, and that is E. C D E. So E is constant, that means E. Okay, rest terms you can create a group. One group you can create in this form. Okay, so here all ones are covered. Now go to the first part. So you can create a one group here. That will be create a one group. For this one, this one is pending, this one is pending, and this one is pending. So one is group is created, this one. This one and this one is created a group, and similarly this one and this one created a group. Okay. So either you can solve in this way or you can solve in this way. That is better. Just identify the groups in the first matrix, identify the group in second matrix, which group are overlap, just eliminate the variable A. If group are not eliminate, write a equation and consider for which matrix it is this group is created. So either the A value is 0 or A value is 1. So either A bar is, if no overlapping, so either the value of A is 0 or a value of A is 1. If overlapping is there, eliminate A. Okay, so this is the way to create identify the 5 variable case. Any other doubt? Yes, any other? No doubt? Okay, so yeah. So we can take a little bit question related to the previous gate examination. Okay, so PQRS is equal to sigma M 0, 2, 5, 7, 8, 10, 13, and 15. Where 2, 7, 8, and 13 are the don't care conditions. Okay, so that means the mean terms is only 0, 5, 10, and 15. 4 mean terms and 4 don't care condition are given. So that question is easy. You can solve, I think so. No issue with that. In the K map shown below, X denote the don't care condition. What is the minimal form of the function represented by the K map? So minimal form of, that means SOP, mean terms. So one group of corners, 4, and one group of these two, this upper and this bottom. Okay, so two groups are there. Now minimum SOP for W, X, Y, Z in the K map below. So this group 2 and this group 2. Top side 2 ones and bottom side 2 ones, that create a group of 4. The right side 2 ones and the left side 2x will create a group of 4. So two SOP terms are available. Now they are asking about the minimum as sum of term, minimal SOP. So if you check, I can create a second row as a group that will be considered two load care condition and two ones. Okay, and one group is third and fourth row, second and third column. Okay, third and fourth row, second and third column. So I can create a second group. So in these two groups, all mean terms are covered. So two groups are required. That is also simple. That is also simple. Middle one is the group of 4 and the 4 corners will be as a group of 4. So two terms are defined. Now, if in this particularly, you can see that there are no simplified form. They are not asking about the simplified form. They are asking which option. So you have to check. Okay, so in between these two, XZ, and between these these corners will be created X bar Z bar. So XZ plus X bar Z bar. Okay, so XZ X bar Z bar. So this is the one option that is also correct. Why? Because they are not asking the simplified form. So simplified form, they are asking the option D is correct. Okay, but along with that option D, along with the option D, if I write a X bar Z bar in the canonical form, okay, I just take as an example. So one 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 one. So Y is a group of these four. So it is a X, Z, and the group of these four corners. That is X bar Z. Okay. So if they are asking the simplified, so that answer is correct. But if they are not asking the simplified form, so the possible answer is Y is, I can write that one in the standard canonical form. So XZ is as it is, and in this form, the W and Y is missing. So what should I do? I just multiply with W plus W bar and y plus y bar. So my answer is w bar x bar y bar z bar plus w bar x bar y z bar plus w x bar y bar z bar plus w x bar y z bar. So x bar and z bar is present in every term. Only w, if I multiply these terms, so it will be the w bar y bar plus w bar y plus w y bar plus w y. So because of these, multiply with the x bar z bar, so 4 terms are present. Okay, so you can check the w bar x bar and z bar everywhere, x bar z bar everywhere, x bar z bar, x bar z bar. Only w bar y bar, w bar y, w y bar and w y. So that answer is also correct. Okay, or if they ask the form, so x bar z bar is as it is, plus this one will be converted into the standard canonical form. W bar x y bar z plus w bar x y z plus w x y bar z plus w x y z. That option is also correct option. Okay, so according to the question statement, you have to check. They are not writing what is the simplified. So option D is the correct, but along with D, option A is also correct. The x bar, z bar, they expand this term into the 4 terms. So x bar, z bar, x bar, z bar, x bar, z bar, and x bar, z bar, along with w bar, y bar, w y bar, w bar y, and w y. Both answer will be correct. Okay. But if they mention the simplified, only D is the correct. Understood? Someone asked the question in the starting now.
Yes, sir.
So this is the question based on this.
Sir, I have a doubt. If there are three terms like a bar b plus b bar a plus d and whole bar, then how to simplify
Wait
that
a minute. Y is equal to A bar
b plus b bar a plus d?
B bar
No, sir. B bar a
B bar A
plus d
plus D
whole bar.
whole bar. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we have to apply the De Morgan theorem. What the De Morgan theorem says, AND gate will be OR gate. Okay. 1 will be converted as a 0 or 0 will be converted as a 1. That means D will be converted as a D bar or D bar will be converted as a. So Y is, first of all, this is the AND, this is the, sorry, this is the OR, this is the OR gate. So first of all, I convert this to the OR gate into the AND gate. AND gate is OR gate, and OR gate will be AND gate. Okay, so these are the OR gates. So I just convert A bar B, the complement of this one, dot B bar A, complement of this one, dot B bar. Now again there is a AND gate. So what should we do? AND gate will be the OR gate. So A double bar plus B bar dot B double bar plus A bar dot B bar. Okay.
Yes, sir. I thought that De Morgan's law is valid for only two variables.
Which one?
Sir, I thought that like it is valid for only two variables.
Okay, okay. No, no, no. It is valid for all.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
The only concept is doesn't matter how many variables are there. The only AND gate will be converted in OR gate and OR gate will be converted in AND gate. First thing is that, and second, the logic will be changed. One will be 0 and 0 will be 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any other doubt? Consider the following four variable Boolean expression in sum of product form, SOP form, where the variables are the 4-bit binary number. If B3 denote the B naught, don't let there are no don't get condition. Which one of the following option is correct? To minimize Boolean expression of that. Okay, so you can simplify that one. That is a simple question. Okay, so these are the related questions of KMAP asked in CSE GATE computer science examination. Okay, because this DE subject is common for CS, for electrical, and for EC. Now, if we go for the EC, GATE, EC, digital circuits. In the EC KMAP, this is not there. Okay, for the EC KMAP question is not there. For the electrical, so I think you can solve easily. A group of 4 and a group of 2. Okay, first and last column, a group of 4, and second and third and fourth column, a group of 2 is possible. Now we have to identify the POS term. 0, 1, sigma m, 0, 1, 3, 7, and 11. So except this, everywhere it is 0. Okay, so you can create a group and just solve it. I think that is simple question only. Now, here you can see that a group of 2 and a group of 2 is possible, created. Okay, first row group of 2 and second row group of 2. If you create a between a one more group between first and second row, second column. So that is the redundant term. Okay, because all ones are already covered. You create this group only to extend the number, basically number of gates, to increase the number of gates. So that is called the redundant term. So first term is A bar, C bar. Okay, and second term is BC. So BC, you can check which one is greater. A bar, C bar, and BC. Can anyone try? Okay, that is related somehow little bit related to the week 6. So I am not focusing too much on that one. The equation is A bar C bar plus BC. Okay, and the correct answer I think C is correct. C is the correct option. Okay, in this one, two groups are created. One is the first row, first and second column, and in the second row, first and second row, third column. So two groups are created. Okay, so these are the some questions related to the gate examinations. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Any doubt? No doubts?
No, sir.
So I think we will stop here. In the next class, we start the week 6 content. So we have a class on Monday. So before that, I just expect that you will go through with the week 6 content, because if I start, that is a little bit confusing. So if you go through with the week 6 content, we will take some particularly recap of that one, solve your queries. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.